Welcome to your comprehensive guide on using a laptop. Whether you're new or just need a refresher, we'll cover the essentials. First, let's unbox your new device. Carefully remove it from its packaging and place it on a stable surface. Connect the power adapter to your laptop and then to a wall outlet. This ensures it has power for its first boot. Now press the power button. You'll see the screen light up as your laptop begins its initial startup sequence. Let's identify the basic components. This is your screen where all visual information is displayed. Below the screen is the keyboard, used for typing text and commands. Familiarize yourself with its layout. The trackpad or touchpad allows you to control the mouse pointer with your finger. It's your primary navigation tool. Around the sides, you'll find various ports, USB for accessories, HDMI for external displays, and the power port. Upon first boot, you'll configure your operating system. Select your preferred language and region settings. Next, connect to your Wi-Fi network. This is crucial for accessing the internet and completing the setup process. Once set up, you'll see your desktop. This is your main workspace, featuring icons for quick access to applications. At the bottom, you'll find the taskbar or dock. It holds frequently used applications and shows open programs. The Start menu or launcher provides access to all your installed applications and system settings. To use your trackpad, simply slide your finger across its surface to move the cursor. A single tap performs a click. A quick double tap will open applications or files. Practice this motion to get comfortable. For more options, use a two-finger tap or click the right side of the trackpad for a right-click menu. Scrolling through documents or web pages is easy. Use two fingers and slide them up or down on the trackpad. Many trackpads support gestures like pinch to zoom or swiping for navigation. Explore these for efficiency. To open an application, simply double-click its icon on the desktop. It will launch in a new window. You can also click an application's icon on the taskbar or dock to open it quickly. For a full list, open the Start menu or launcher and select the program you wish to use. To close an application, look for the X button in the top corner of its window and click it. File Explorer or Finder is where you manage your files and folders. It's like a digital filing cabinet. You can navigate through different drives and folders. Click on a folder to open it and see its contents. To keep things organized, create new folders. Right-click in an empty space and select New Folder. To open a file, simply double-click it. Your laptop will usually open it with the appropriate program. Connecting to Wi-Fi is essential. Go to your network settings, usually found in the system tray or control panel. Select your desired network from the list. If it's secured, you'll need to enter the password. Once connected, you'll see a confirmation. You're now ready to browse the internet and access online services. To browse the internet, open a web browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. You'll find its icon on your desktop or taskbar. In the address bar at the top, type the website's URL and press enter. For example, google.com. To search for information, type your query into the search bar and press enter. Results will appear instantly. For email, open your email client or access webmail through your browser. Look for the mail icon. To compose a new email, click the New Message or Compose button. A new window will open. Fill in the recipient's address, subject, and your message. Then, click Send to deliver it. To read an email, simply click on its subject line in your inbox. The message will open for you to view. For creating documents, open a word processor like Microsoft Word or Google Docs. Start typing your content. As you type, your words appear on the screen. You can format text, add images, and more. To save your work, go to File, and then Save or Save As. This is crucial to prevent data loss. Choose a location on your laptop, like Documents, and give your file a descriptive name. Then click Save. To install new software, download it from a trusted source and run the installer. Follow the on-screen prompts. To uninstall, go to your system settings, find Apps or Programs, select the application, and click Uninstall. Battery management is key. Check your battery icon for its current charge and estimated remaining time. Extend battery life by dimming your screen, closing unused applications, and using power-saving modes. For optimal battery health, avoid constantly charging to 100% or letting it drain completely. Keep your laptop secure by regularly updating your operating system. These updates often include vital security patches. Install and maintain antivirus software. It protects your laptop from malware and other online threats. If your laptop freezes, try pressing Ctrl+Alt+Delete to open Task Manager and close unresponsive programs. For a slow laptop, a simple restart can often resolve many issues. Save your work first. If a program is unresponsive, use Task Manager to force close it. This can free up resources. Always back up your important files. Use an external hard drive or cloud storage to keep your data safe. Cloud services like Google Drive or Dropbox offer convenient automatic backups, accessible from anywhere. Boost your efficiency with keyboard shortcuts. Ctrl+C for copy and Ctrl+V for paste are incredibly useful. Alt+Tab allows you to quickly switch between open applications, saving time and clicks. Personalize your laptop by changing the desktop background. Right-click on the desktop and select Personalize. You can also change your laptop's theme, colors, and sounds to match your preferences. If you need more help, Online resources like official support websites or user forums are invaluable. Don't forget your laptop's user manual. It contains specific information about your model. You've learned about unboxing, navigation, essential functions, and maintenance. These are your first steps. With practice, you'll become confident and proficient. Enjoy exploring the world of computing with your new laptop. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.